Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. Today we have a 2008 Toyota Camry. It's going to be the same for 2007 up to 2011. The same thing with the 2.4 and the 3.5. The interior at least. Alright, let's go and pull this out. This black cover right here, this plastic one. If you're strong, just go ahead and yank it out. Just like that. Not just grab a flathead screwdriver and pry it out. So as you can see right here, this is very bad. All right, so we got to use one. Unfortunately, it's not the same color, but anything that is not cracked or broken as that one, anything is better. All right, so there's four bolts holding it. Just gonna show you those bolts. There's two right here. 1, 2 on this side. 1, 2 is gonna be up. The other one's gonna be up here. Just gonna show you exactly where. That one right there. So there's 4. All right, let's gonna remove those 4. So you want to be careful because once it let it go, it'll just let it go. Alright, so right there you want to be careful because it'll let it go. You don't want to slap your fingers. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. So that's what I meant when it slapped right there. Alright, so just go ahead and pull it out. Alright, let's go ahead and compare them side to side.
Oh, see, this one has better quality at the.
So I got my son, and my nephews, and my little niece here. As you can see, side to side. You saw my previous video.
Then if you flip
it's really hard to find this, so I just went for it. So as you can see, everything is the same, with the exception of the color. No problem. As I mentioned, anything that looks better than that, it's pretty good.
It doesn't have no scars or scratches, and this one has a little bit, but that's fine. Because from the top, it's more better. And from this top, this one, it's worse.
Alright, let's go ahead and replace it. Alright, so all you have to do is remove this bolts right here. Or loosen them. And you might be able to just replace this cover. I seen it on Amazon. They sell the rubber only. This black cover right here. So it comes right off. So they do sell the cover only. So in case you didn't like this, but I'm just gonna keep it that way. So I will include the link underneath, under the description. Yeah, you see this all cracked. So you'll be able to just replace this with the black one. If you don't like this. Alright, so everything's gonna be under the description. Alright, I'm gonna keep mine like this. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back on. Alright, you might find it funky, but yeah, everything's black. This one's gray. Doesn't matter. Like I said, it looks way better than the other one. She's all cracked right there. I'm just gonna put the 4 bolts back on. Let's push this back and hand tighten those first. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and line it. So you want to have it open so you can put the bolts back on so it can align. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back on. Just gonna try to get the top one. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten it. Alright, so there's the line. You go ahead and close it. Where's the sucker at? It's right there. So once you have that one, go ahead and put the rest. As you can see, it's already aligned. Let's get the second one. Let's get the two on the left side. The one on the top. Just gonna get the bottom one. Last one. Alright, so there you have it. Just gonna test it. Open, close. Oh, you weren't able to see that, right? So let's do this again. Open, close. Alright, let's go ahead and put back the back cover right here. Just gonna put this back cover right here. So you see those little hooks, 4 hooks. All I have to do is align right there. Just get it a little spanky. Should go back in. Alright, so there you guys have it. It's nice and aligned now. So yeah, just spanky, you'll go back in. Alright, if you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, so just go ahead and throw this to the garbage. No good. That portion's yours. It's not cracked. You want to keep it, but ours is all cracked. See that right there? Alright, let's say a deal. Let's toss it out.